Welcome back to the Map Cave. Today we're taking a look at some beautiful pictorial maps by the artist Miguel Covarrubias. He was a very fascinating character. He was born in Mexico City in 1904. Eventually, as a very young man, came to New York City, where he quickly established himself doing covers for Vanity Fair. He was illustrating for The New Yorker. And in 1939, they asked that he would come and create these murals at the Exposition in San Francisco. And they were so popular, they were probably the most popular thing at the Exposition, that they created these prints. The library is lucky enough to have one of the original sets. This is the first of the panels. This is the Peoples of the Pacific. It's really the masterpiece of the set, but it shows all these different people from around the world in their native costumes. So you have everything from the Fiji Islands, the Hawaiians, the native Hawaiians. Number two, this is the flora and fauna of the Pacific. Third is the art forms of the Pacific. This is the economy of the Pacific. For Hawaii, just is symbolized by a pineapple. I think there's a lot more to it than that. These are the native dwellings. There we have places like Samoa, Tonga, Fiji. Lastly, these are the native means of transportation. This one is a little less geographically accurate since there's no scale. This pictorial map is really the Gone with the Wind of pictorial maps. There's so much information, so much detail, and all done with a sense of humor and beautiful colors. So these are really something special. It's a shame that we're not able to get them out of the drawers often enough, and that's why we do these kind of things, so people realize that we have these beautiful objects that belong to the people of Los Angeles. Again, as we always say, these belong to you and not to us. And if you'd like to see them, you can come in anytime and we'll bring them out for you and take a look.